Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. I have made mistakes in life which have strangely shaped who I am today. Being only 21, I feel lucky that I have been through difficult times in which I have learned so much that my future looks bright and promising. First, I like to talk to the audience about my past and give some background on how I am where I am today. Second, I'd like to discuss my life goals, which will predict where I will be in the future. And third, I'd like to tell you about my passions in life, which drive me to pursue and succeed. Knowing the inner workings of my mind and life give you a better understanding of who I am and where I want to be. Hopefully my story will relate to you as well as provide some inspiration to some. Life is crazy, but a rewarding ride. Hi, my name is Laura DeBruin. I am 21 years old. I live in San Diego, California, and I am an online student at Nova Southeastern University, in which I am trying to pursue a career in psychology and hopefully be graduating in December. So, my first thing I'd like to talk to you about are my 3 events from my past, which have pretty much shaped who I am today. First of all, it was the divorce between my mom and dad when I was about 12 years old. It really showed me to be a stronger person, and I established a better relationship with my brothers because of it. It also helped me make some decisions about high school, whether I wanted to stay home or go to boarding school, in which I chose to go to boarding school, which is the second event of my past, which has made a huge impact on my life today. I went there and it really gave me a lot of opportunities. I played sports. It showed me to be more independent. I also learned a lot about leadership, and it really helped me decide on what I wanted to do for college, either go home or go to Florida to go to Nova, and that's what I decided to do, obviously. And then I went to Nova for 3 years, and I decided to move back home, which was kind of a off-the-wall decision because I was ready for some change. So I did that, and now I'm moving back to Florida in about 2 months. And I'm a very on-the-go kind of person. I like to see what can be offered, and I like change. Hopefully that'll lean positively on me. Secondly, I would like to talk about my life goals, in which the first one is to complete my bachelor's degree for psychology and then move on to go to a master's program in nursing. But I know I have to go to nursing school before I do that, so nursing is really what I want to do. But right now I just want to get my bachelor's, which is going to be in psychology. Secondly, my other goal is I want to move to Los Angeles, California with one of my friends. I don't know how that's going to go, but that's definitely a goal of mine, to see what kind of opportunities lay out there for me. Thirdly, my third goal would to lead a sober and stable life full of joy, love, and happiness, because that's what I really want. I really want to be happy. It's a huge goal of mine to be stable. Thirdly, I wanted to talk about what my passions are that drive me to succeed. One of my big ones is my family. They're a big support for me, and my love for living life and wanting to be happy. It's a huge goal for me. Secondly are my hobbies and challenges, because you can't live life without challenges or else you won't go anywhere, I believe. And I also love marine biology, which was my first decision in college, but that didn't work out for me, so now I'm doing psychology. And throughout this speech, I have discussed 3 aspects of my life: my past and background information, 2 which are my goals in life, and 3 my passions in life which drive me. Life has had many ups and downs, but it's a ride we all must take. So in order for it to be a better experience, learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow.